My name is Jeremy Turner and I've been a lay inspector with Estin for 13 years and I've done some 70 inspections in junior schools and primary schools. I work in theatre as a producer and the director of an arts organisation, and most of my work in theatre is for young audiences. I've always enjoyed their enthusiasm, their ideas, and I'm concerned about their well-being and their education too. Maybe I should have been a teacher. I have a great respect for the work the teachers do in the classroom and in their schools. I applied to become a lay inspector because I enjoy working in different fields and each of them enhances the others. I think one of the main parts of being a lay inspector is to not be things, to not have preconceived ideas about what you think education should be, to not be too judgmental and to not go in with your own agenda. And one of the best parts of the work is talking to children and young people. I really enjoy their enthusiasm, listening to their concerns and listening to their delight as they discover and learn new things. I think being inquisitive and open-minded are vital, and being able to talk to children and young people without being patronising. In a way, our role is to be the eyes and the ears of the children and young people and their parents. I try to tell the story of the school, and working in a team of inspectors with Estin staff, with the registered inspectors and the peer inspectors is always a good and informative conversation. So to sum up, working as a lay inspector gives you a fantastic insight into a world which most people don't get to see. I get to see the world of education and the minds and the ideas of young people as a lay inspector in their own environment.